Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share my recipe of instant red sauce pasta with a lot of vegetables in it, and along with it I'll be sharing all the tips and tricks to make it even more tasty, better and perfect. So let's get started with the video first. Let's quickly see the ingredients first. For veggies, I have taken here 3 medium-sized onions, 1 packet of button mushroom, which is also medium-sized mushroom. Then I have taken 1 big broccoli. I am going to add the whole bunch into my pasta. This is a very good way to add some folate and good iron and magnesium. Then some bell peppers. I have taken this size of all the 3 bell peppers. Then I have taken olive oil. I'll put the olive oil, which is like a little bit of fruity, not that strong. Adding olive oil gives a very good flavor to your pasta. As we are making instant red sauce pasta, so I have taken this red sauce, which is free from preservatives and all the artificial colors. Then of course for seasoning I am taking basil and thyme. This is the dried version of basil and thyme. It gives a very nice flavor to the Italian dishes. Then I am taking 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then I have taken a cup of milk. Adding milk makes your pasta even more creamy and soft. Then at last I have taken some whole wheat pasta. Make sure not to buy the one which has refined flour in it. I have taken organic pasta with whole wheat. This is how I usually cut my vegetables for the pasta, this sizes. You can always chop them smaller or bigger as per your preference and your taste. Into the piping hot olive oil, add the florets of broccoli. The idea is not to overcook the broccoli, so I have heated the pan properly before I added the florets. Cover the pan and cook the broccoli for a minute. Now the broccoli is roasted well. It's time to add all the vegetables that we have chopped. At this point of time, saute all the vegetables on low to medium flame. Cook these vegetables well for a minute or 2. Once it's cooked, then add 2 teaspoons of pink Himalayan salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Make sure you don't add the red chili powder in any of the Italian dishes. Once mixed properly, cover and cook it for around 2 to 3 minutes. The vegetables are cooked properly. The idea of making this pasta is to add a lot of vegetables and less of pasta into it. And then I'll be adding 1 big bowl of this pasta sauce. You can always reduce or increase the quantity as per your liking. I have shared a recipe of homemade veggie sauce for pasta, especially for the kids who don't like veggies. You can find it in the description box as well as in the I button. If your kids don't like to eat the vegetables in pasta, that is a very good way to let them eat the vegetables. Make sure you check that video out. Once the vegetables are cooked, I'll be adding thyme and basil leaves. Make sure to add basil more than thyme. Like if you are taking 1 teaspoon of thyme, then make sure you add 2 teaspoons of basil leaves. Once the vegetables are coated well with the sauce and the leaves, add the boiled pasta. Here is a little tip that I want to give it to you. Before boiling the pasta, make sure you boil the water. add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of olive oil into it. Let it boil once and then add the pasta. Once you see the pasta is cooked about 80%, then add 1 cup of milk into it. Adding milk into the red sauce pasta makes it more creamy and flavorful. Cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes so that the pasta takes all the flavor of sauce, milk and veggies. If you want to know how to make perfect red sauce at home, then do let me know in the comment section below. Finally, our red sauce pasta with a creamy texture and a lot of vegetables is ready to serve. If you like this recipe and you want to connect with my channel for the upcoming videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay happy and spread happiness.